I'm holding it right?
Yeah, watch it. Videotape him.
Oh, this is the way I gotta do it? Hold it that way? Guess I got it right? Watch your feel.
Look at it. Look at it.
Am I right now? That look good? What about now?
Going too far over.
Right there?
That's good. See? Getting stuck.
Yeah. You're getting
Back
stuck.
up, back up. You got that cart.
He loves stuff like that. Larry loves stuff like that. Don't care, so forth.
He'll be alright, he'll get it out.
Man, that thing loaded, eh? That thing loaded.
Hey, that's right, he get it out.
Oh. I'm not used to this. Feel too wet.
You gotta cut right across. I would cut it right across the corn.
Oh, Lord. Jesus, 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 Jesus.
I don't know why he came right back in there.
Jesus, 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 Jesus. You know what? He's been just funny.
Yeah,
He said, let me get my tail out of here. He's
yeah,
out.
it is funny.
You got it?
Yeah, he out. He out.
Okay. Did you get it?